Hey guys, so now we're going to use the lasso tool and content aware fill to take out part of an object in our image that we don't want there. Now there are many other ways of doing this, and some of my other videos show them. Sometimes you can just use, um, you can try to use more than one. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to drag that down right to there, so I've got a copy of it. I get my lasso tool, I press, hold down, get the lasso. I am going to then go around this building here. Okay. Then I'm going to go to Edit, Fill. It should say Content Aware. You need that. Press OK. And then Control D. And sometimes it does a pretty good job. Here it did.